We're talking tonight about a rental property in this edition of The Law and You. Attorneys Harry McGrath, who was here for Greg, and Ed Ciarimboli are back. Good to see you guys.
I brought the world's foremost legal expert in rental properties, Harry McGrath.
That's my expertise.
All right, let's get to the rental property question. We want Harry to tackle this one soon here. Bob in Wilkes-Barre says, I own a rental property in Wilkes-Barre. The lease specifically says no pets, and the tenants have 2 pit bulls. When I confronted them, they denied the animals were theirs. What can Bob do here?
Bob, I mean, you obviously have to talk to the landlord. I mean, if the if the lease says that they're not allowed to have animals, and the landlord refuses to, enforce that clause in the lease, then technically you could withhold the rent, because if it's impacting your ability to use and enjoy your apartment. Short of that, I'm not exactly sure what anything else they could do, on this, but that's probably about the extent of it, don't you think, Harry?
Yeah, certainly Ed's advice is solid. I think, as we always, advise everyone, put these things into writing, send an email, send a text message, leave a letter in their mail slot, and let them know what the complaint is. So if you do end up having to go before a magistrate judge or something of that nature, you have a document to rely on that says you placed them on notice of it.
Take a picture of the dogs. I mean, that's going to be the easiest thing to do to prove that this particular individual has dogs in their apartment. Take a picture of the dogs and Snapchat the picture to your, to your landlord. I mean, anything that you could do to document. But I mean, obviously, if you could have documentation or a photograph of these dogs in that apartment, it's going to help your case a long way.
All right, and you could Snapchat that same picture.
We're looking for
to Fellerman and Ciarimboli. They are dying for a Snapchat question. You could also reach them by phone or on the website. Results matter. Attorneys Harry McGrath and Ed Ciarimboli. Thanks so much, guys.
Thanks,
Dave.
PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are there for you.